Hello and welcome back. Today we will be starting with the alphabets. The alphabets. We know there are 26 letters in the alphabets, 21 consonants and 5 vowels. We will see this in details later on. Now let's practice the pronunciation. Are you ready? Here we go. A like apple, apple. B like book, book. C like cat, cat. D like dog, dog. E like elephant, elephant. F like fish, fish. G like grapes, grapes. H horse, horse. I like ice cream, ice cream. J like jeans, jeans. K like kite, kite. L like lemon, lemon. M like mouse, mouse. N like noodles, noodles. O like orange, orange. P pineapple, pineapple. Q question mark, question mark. R rabbit, rabbit. S like snake, snake. T train, train. U like umbrella or university. V like volcano, volcano. W like water, water. X like xylophone, xylophone. Y yogurt, yogurt. And finally Z like zebra, zebra. So this is it. Keep practicing and till we meet, stay safe. Thank you for watching and goodbye.